Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your loan application with LoanDepot step by step clearly. To verify your loan application with LoanDepot, start by gathering all required documents. Ensure you have your identification ready, such as your driver's license or passport. Next, have your social security number on hand. You'll also need your income documentation, including recent pay stubs or tax returns. If you are self-employed, prepare your profit and loss statement as well. Collect your bank statements for the last few months to verify your financial stability. Make sure to include information about your assets, such as savings and retirement accounts. Visit the LoanDepot website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one before proceeding. Navigate to the section where you can manage your loan applications. Locate your submitted loan application within your account dashboard. Click on the application to view its details and status. Review any notifications or requests for additional documentation from LoanDepot. Prepare to upload the requested documents directly through the website. Make sure all documents are clear and legible to avoid any processing delays. Once documents are uploaded, double-check that everything is correct. If necessary, contact LoanDepot's customer service for assistance or clarification. After submitting your documents, keep an eye on your email for any updates. LoanDepot will keep you informed about the status of your application. Be patient as processing may take a few days. Stay proactive by regularly checking your LoanDepot account for updates. Once your loan is verified, you will receive a notification regarding the next steps. This completes the process of verifying your loan application with LoanDepot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.